Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached the Sadaiv Atal. This is the Samadhi former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is 16th August, remember, which means Atal Bihari Vajpayee's death anniversary is observed today. And every year, Prime Minister Modi does go and pay floral tributes to the Sadaiv Atal, which is in the national capital. It's the memorial that has been constructed. For those who may remember, even when former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had passed away, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who had ensured presence and had in many ways led with regard to the last rites that were eventually performed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi here paying tribute to the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who in many ways he had mentored. And remember, Atal Bihari Vajpayee from the Bharatiya Janata Party and the sort of political experience he had had, and then followed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has pushed Bharatiya Janata Party to become one of the significant political parties of the country. But it's not just about as a BJP leader, but also as a former Prime Minister. We are looking at Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who has arrived, and other leaders also present, Member of Parliament and BJP President JP Nadda. So this, remember, is as much, of course, as a part of protocol, but it's also about a tribute to a former veteran leader, as someone who has in many ways inspired a younger generation of the BJP leaders. Many call it, as political experts that you must have heard, have often mentioned it as Atal era, or the leaders of the BJP from the Atal era, and that in many ways has signified what Atal Bihari Vajpayee has meant for specifically the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is the Sadaiv Atal Memorial in the national capital, where in just a short while there will be a floral tributes paid. You're looking at all the senior leaders who've been associated, who are present there, and the Lok Sabha chair also sitting. We'll continue to get you the most significant visuals coming in from Delhi. Just to give you a background, remember, for a first non-Congress Prime Minister to serve a full term in the office, it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He's been a co-founder, he's been a senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, had been a member of the Sangh as well for many years, and it was when he had come with the secular credentials, bringing it, but also a certain nationalistic view when it came to the politics that he had brought in. We all, of course, remember the poetry, the writing that Atal Bihari Vajpayee has been known to often speak in the parliament as well. He would have been over 90 years of age today, so this is the floral tribute that is going to be presented by all the leaders at the Sadaiv Atal in just a short while. Homage to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was India's 10th Prime Minister and breathed his last on 16th August 2018. President of the country, also here, President Murmu, has arrived. So this is, remember, as you could see, Prime Minister Modi already had come, then came in the Vice President, then the President of the country, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh, remember, was very closely associated with Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He had been in that close connection. Many call him the leader from the Atal era as well. After a prolonged illness in 2018, Atal Bihari Vajpayee took his last breath, but it was because of him. Many credit how National Democratic Alliance governments, whether it was 1996 to 2004, and later as well, the rise of the BJP that has been there. Alliance partners, you can see, are sitting there at this point. NDA clearly has changed a lot in the past few years, the kind of allies that they have formed, specifically those who have come out from the UPA earlier. But in many ways, NDA has become stronger, and a lot of that credit does go to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who had lit the spark initially. So as per protocol, President Murmu, the first to pay floral tribute. Each year, remember, this has been followed specifically as a former Prime Minister, as someone who had been very strongly associated with the BJP. Remember that, and also to give you a background how significant Atal Bihari Vajpayee was, one as a non-Congress Prime Minister, but it was after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that Atal Bihari Vajpayee got 2 successive terms. Hadn't happened until then.
क्या हार में क्या जीत में किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, कर्तव्य पथ पर जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही। अब माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करेंगे श्रद्धेय अटल जी को। स्वयं श्री शिवमंगल सिंह सुमन ने अटल जी के बारे में कहा था कि ऐसा संवेदनशील कवि जो संघर्षशील योद्धा भी है, चुनौतियां भी देता है और विद्रोह भी करता है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की जा रही है श्रद्धेय अटल जी को।
Remember that it was, and has to be mentioned, it was during when Prime Minister Narendra Modi took the position that he declared 25th December, which is the birthday of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, as the Good Governance Day. This happened in 2014. So right after Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister, he had made that announcement that to honor Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his birthday. Today is the death anniversary being observed. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is also now known as the Bharat Ratna. He was honored also with the Padma Vibhushan. So clearly, in many ways, the legacy as it stands, and that's Rajnath Singh very closely having worked with the leaders of the Atal era, as they are called, JP Nadda, Rajya Sabha MP, leading the party now. What a significant position for him, remember, that had in many ways started by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So many of these leaders are taking forward, whether it's as a Prime Minister or as a leader of the BJP or the NDA, taking forward that legacy. Family members of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, as much, who've of course known him more at a personal level, who've been close to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So it's not just about the professional tributes. The daughter, the family members also present at the location. You're looking at the visuals of all senior leaders. But for Prime Minister Modi, it's significant because who was there when the last cavalcade for Atal Bihari Vajpayee after he passed away, and for the last rites, Prime Minister Modi was present there, I remember, and then 2014 when he announced 25th December as the Governance Day, and then to ensure that it was a Padma Vibhushan and a Bharat Ratna that was awarded to him.
यंत्र बजाते भी हैं, आपने कई एल्बम्स भी बनाए हैं, आप मूलतः उत्तराखंड से हैं, तो आइए सुनते हैं आपके सुर में श्रद्धेय अटल जी को एक संगीतमय श्रद्धांजलि। टीवी का जाना माना नाम, चेहरा, आवाज पवनदीप जी।
ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण न्यारे, तुम दे बिनु हमरा कौन नहीं, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुम रे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण